Yes, you are also audible and visible to me. Okay, so tell me,
Okay.
how is everything?
Everything is going on good. And
Okay,
in life, sometime it's not same every time, every day. Something we need to face, and it is really very important. From
yeah.
that point, we start learning many things. So that's why ups and downs come in life, and we have to deal with all these type of things. So in this way, my life is going on.
Okay, that's true. And these ups and downs teach us the things that we can't learn from any school or from a
Normally.
person.
Yes,
Yes?
it's
Yeah.
really very true. Mhm.
Yes. So it is really nice to see you again. It's wonderful feeling that you are here
Same
again
here.
because last time I
Mhm.
enjoyed the session with you. So let's see how it goes today.
Yes.
Okay, so
Today also I didn't check the topic because I booked the
okay.
session in a hurry and I forget to
Mm-hmm.
check every time.
Topic
What is the
is food
topic?
and restaurants.
Okay, food and restaurant. Okay, that's also a very good topic.
Yes, indeed. Okay,
Hmm.
so if you are ready, so we can go ahead, we can proceed.
Yes.
Okay, so um, I have a question that why people love to eat out? What's your opinion on this? That why they love to have food outside?
According to me, people like both of the genders, like women and men, both are working out. And when they come back from their office, they don't feel like cooking something at home. And they
Yeah.
feel like now we have time, we should like spend this time together. So let's go out and have something outside. For this purpose, it's good. They can spend time with each other. Like one person is not busy in cooking and one is watching TV. So it's also not good. But on the other hand, it's not good every time to have something from outside. It is not good for our health. It is not good for our like culture also, because when we go out we don't know how they are cooking, what they are adding in the food, which type of food we are having, is it fresh
Yeah.
or not. So we don't know anything about it. So it's better to cook at home, and whether you are having less amount, but it is far better than outer food, you know.
Yes, that's correct. So, do you
Hmm.
often go out to have food?
Actually, I don't love to have food from outside. Yeah,
Okay.
rarely I go, like if any occasion is there, like it's any anniversary and birthday. So at that time, my both kids they force us to go out. But when I go and I'm sitting on the chair to have food, at that time I feel like, is it good or not? Is it? I have that doubt every time inside me, and I can't enjoy at that moment. So I hate having something from out. I can't have. Yeah, if I want to have outside, I can have anything from the small stalls are there, na?
Street
Like
food, right?
ready, yeah, street food, because they are cooking in front of our eyes.
Yes.
Everything is see. We can
Yes.
see everything where they are keeping the product and how is it, and is it fresh or not. We can see everything, but if we go in the restaurant we can't see anything, how they are like, what about hygiene, they are maintaining or not, so we don't know about it all. So I don't want to go anytime at any restaurant. What about
Okay.
you?
I love to have food outside, but not very often. Yeah, like once in a month. And street food, I like to have like every weekend. We go
Oh,
every weekend to
really?
have like street food.
Oh, I don't do it. I
Because,
really don't like. Previously, I was 3 years ago. I was very fond of eating something like this every within 3 days, 4 days. I used to have in this type. But before 3 years, I stopped eating everything because of Instagram. That's the main reason. Because of
okay,
Instagram, we got to know many things like how do they prepare food and everything we can see over there. So I stopped eating everything. Even pizza, I used to have. I was crazy about pizza.
okay,
I stopped eating it before 4 years, like 4 years ago. I stopped eating. So I don't eat pizza, burger, chow mein, momos. Oh my God, I was so crazy
No,
about
I really
momos.
don't like momos. I
Nope, I
personally don't
used
like.
to cook.
Like to this day, I have eaten momos twice or thrice only, and that also like
Okay,
I tasted only in that way,
okay.
not
Mm-hmm.
whole plate.
Yeah, I
Because
used to
when
feel like the stuffing they add onion, paneer, chili, garlic, these things. But
yeah,
when I got to know many things about momos, oh my God, I stopped. I can't take any risk. Whenever I feel like having momos, I prepare at home.
okay, okay, I
Sandwich also, burger
yes.
also.
Okay, that's amazing thing that you know how to cook them and you can easily make them at home. I also
Yeah,
make them at home, but sometimes we feel like okay, we should
the
go to
taste is not
restaurants
same.
and like chill over there, and someone will serve us, and we will enjoy the food. So in that way,
Uh,
it's okay to have food sometimes outside. So
hmm.
that's why I prefer to go.
Yeah, that's good. As I told you, we can spend time with ourselves. We can talk and we
Yes,
can take
we
pictures also.
we
Usually
can
at
take
home, we don't
break
take
from
pictures.
cooking
Yeah, yes.
because
But
in a day. Hmm,
whenever I go out to have something, I just have drink only. Only drink,
okay.
like cold drink, cold drink, any like lemon juice or anything. I just love to have drink only.
Okay, here I would
Is
like.
it correct? Drink.
Mhm.
Liquid only. Liquid only.
You can also say that I love to have beverages.
What? I need to write
Beverages.
it.
Beverages we
Beverages.
use for the liquid.
Okay.
Yeah,
Beverages. B. B for
yeah.
ball. Beverages.
Beverages. Okay.
Okay.
And here I would like to
Liquid.
mention one thing that I love eating food outside, but I don't really like to open packets because as you, I have also heard about that packet foods are not good. So I keep
Hmm.
myself away from packets, and I do the same thing with my kids also. I don't let them have packets easily.
Same here. You know what I do so many time? My both of my kids, they used to think like I think they think about myself, how our mama is.
By the
She does not
strict.
love us because whenever they have something in packet like what is that? Chips, kurkure,
Hmm.
I just flash it in our toilet. I have done it many times and I do usually most of the time I do it. And so why I do this, I want to tell them that that's not good for your health.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not allowing you. So you should not have. There are many options you should have. But when I was kid, night that time I used to have cucumber every time. Most of the time I used to have cucumber, lemon water. But these days,
Yes. Yes.
children they don't love to have cucumber and any grease veggies or anything. They just love to have uh, pizza, burger, chips, kurkure, namkeen, and everything. But they don't love to have anything healthy.
But here what I feel that what I personally feel that they are not at fault, because nowadays they are surrounded with such like environment. Everyone talks about these
Yes.
things. Like if you go out and if you say
Party
to
means pizza, burger,
pizza, burger, chips, and if
burger,
like
chips.
nowadays people don't even like to have healthy food when they go to a birthday party. They imagine that there they will have pizza and chips, cakes, and all that fried items like french fries and all those things. And let's suppose
Yeah,
that you
seriously.
went outside and next day you go to your friends and they'll then tell them that last night we went out and we had like naan, dal paratha, something like that. They will not listen to you, and they will say, oh
Yes.
my god, you ate such food after like you went out and you ate such food.
Hmm.
But if you say that we went out, we had pizza, burger, they will
Yeah.
listen to you with rapt attention, and they will even
Yes.
ask you, where did you
And
go?
even they will think about you are very rich. You know,
Very rich,
when you
and
talk
you,
about basic food, they think like you are very poor.
yeah, it
You don't
doesn't
have
set
money to
any
have
status.
fancy food.
Hmm. It shows that you are modern enough that you have such
Yeah.
food. And if you don't have such food, you are like you belong to an orthodox family who isn't like. modern. So
Yeah,
that
but
happens.
I don't care about others when it comes to
But
keep myself
sometimes
healthy or keep myself.
we can refrain ourselves, but sometimes it's bit difficult to refrain kids, because in school it also happens that they are, when they open their tiffin, so their friends, they take
Yes, it happens
different
with
kinds of,
me also.
same I face. I My kids taunts me, they taunt me, mama, you don't give us such food, but my friend,
Yes.
he or she brings
So at
every
that
day
time, what do you
sometimes.
say? What do you say at that time?
After which I thought about it, and then we came to a conclusion that in a week, sorry, once in a week, we will give you packet food. It
Okay,
could be like,
I tell them, their mama is very lazy. That's why she doesn't want to cook anything healthy because in this type of foods we took it like 10 minutes or 15 minutes only. But
yeah,
when we are preparing whole food like sabji, roti, and everything, then it
yes,
takes
it
one
takes
hour
time.
properly,
Yeah, yes,
So that's why they don't have time. No? That's why they are preparing these type of food. They are making their kids happy, and they like indirectly they are spoiling their health.
yeah,
So
that's true.
it's not good.
Yeah,
You should care. You should give important to your mama. Your mama is taking care of your health. But you don't understand it.
yeah. With time, they will definitely understand. So
Yes.
I give them chips, packet food with fruits. Not
I
only,
don't prefer anything like in their tiffin box. I can keep banana, like
yeah.
they love banana, apples, like any fruit
Hmm.
and dry fruits, almond and walnut and simple khana, like simple food, roti, sabji. It must be there in their tiffin. Nothing
Yeah.
else. Like chips, no. It sometimes they go to the market with their father and they bring packets of chips and something else. Then I
Yes.
see and then I go to the washroom, I flush, you know. Yeah. Because
Okay.
previously what my elder son used to do, mama, today is Wednesday and we will have party in a school. We all friends bring
Hmm.
something like this, like I will take what is this pasta and that my one of my friends he will take this and this, then we will mix all things and then we will have party. So in this
Hmm.
way they are getting this habit, so
Yes.
I don't want to see this type of habit and all in them. So that's why I go to the washroom to flush all the things.
Yeah, my daughter also says the same thing sometimes. Sometimes I allow her, other
Sometimes
times
like
I
one
don't. Yeah.
twice in a month, not once in a week. No, I can't do it.
No, I allow them once in a week, because in her class there are some people, like there are some students. They bring like two tiffins. One is healthy, one is like packet foods. So every day when they see the same thing, they crave for the same thing. Ultimately, they will go to that friend and ask her or him to share that food. So it's better to give them.
Yeah, it is also good. But you
Yeah,
know what I do? I just bring something at home. I say
yeah.
that you can have it here, but I will not allow in your school. You can have it
Hmm.
here. So I do it. Like every mother is trying
Yes,
like
they are
her
trying
best.
their best to
Yeah.
refrain their kids from these packet
Yes.
foods and
Bad
unhealthy
habits.
junk foods.
Hmm.
And it's a kind of real struggle, I think. Earlier,
These
mothers
days.
never faced such problems, like their kids were not
Yes.
having food and they were
Hmm.
demanding food from outside, nothing. But nowadays, it's a big, pain I
Deal.
personally feel.
Yes. I also feel
Okay.
the same so many times.
So I have one more question for you. That tell me few differences between food from home and that we cook, and food from outside that we eat. So what are the major differences you see?
Like if I talk about home cooked food, so that is sometimes it does not taste according to the outside food. It is simple, sober, and healthy. And
Hmm.
there is no artificial color and preservative and anything. No any artificial flavors are added in this. But when we go out, if we are having pearls, dal makhani, dal
Yes,
tadka,
yes.
dal
They
this,
add
this, that,
color.
the dal is frozen. They keep it for a week in a freezer, and they when customers are coming, they just mix in a water and they just like
Serve
तड़का
it.
मारने को क्या बोलते हैं?
To
तड़का.
fry? No. Okay, right now I can't also remember it.
It's okay. So tadka lagaकर and they serve it. And
Yes,
then we enjoy that because the fragrance, the preservative, the artificial colors also to keep them yellow and red. So
yes,
they
that's
add
true.
colors also, and and we enjoy that, And after coming back from that restaurant, we have some stomach pain and something else. We feel like vomiting. So look wise, outside food is very like tempting, but
Mm.
it's better to have home cooked food. It is safe, healthy, and clean. Everything is
Yes,
there.
yes, and made with love.
Yes.
Yes, because we want to
Yeah,
see
and
our
and
health,
we
family
know who
healthy.
is cooking, either I or my husband, or either I or my sasuma. But when we go out, we don't know who are cooking food. Like everybody, like some of them are doing this, doing this, and I don't know what
Oh
they
my
do and
God.
they cook. So I don't want to have anything. They do this. So I don't want to have anything.
Okay, these
Seriously.
are the some actions that made
Yes.
you
What do
not
we
to
call?
have food outside.
Yes. How do we
Okay.
call that? These type of gestures in English?
These kind of gestures, like when you swipe out your sweat,
Swipe out.
yeah,
Stretch your body anywhere.
scratch your body, touch
Anywhere.
your body,
Yeah.
unhygiene, and
Scratch.
yeah,
Scratch.
and
Scratch.
and you use the same hand to cook food
For cooking
without
food. Yeah.
washing it, and you don't take
So
care
I
of
have seen
hygiene.
it many times. I have seen it many times. So at that time, we can't say them that why are you doing this? They will say like, if you don't want to have, go from there.
Yeah,
You
you
can
can.
go. They
Yes,
will say it easily, but it's our responsibility whether we want to have or not. Because everywhere you will see such type of peoples everywhere. Whether you are like when we go into any cheaper restaurant, like people are cooking in front of your eyes, that's much better than 5-star and 10-star hotels, because
yes,
like only few people go there, like people go there, like richest people go there na, in their luxury car. So like anytime you can go there, you can have food. So anytime, every time they are not cooking for you, they
yeah,
are they
they
are
preserve
keeping the
food.
food in the freezer. They are serving you. They serve us the food that cooked 3 days ago, so
Hmm.
that's a reality, but we don't want to accept it.
That's the reality, and we enjoy that food with our family, and
And we
like,
pay for it.
and yes, that's the thing that I was about to say, that we enjoyed that leftover, or I can say that stall food,
Yes.
and
And we give
after that we pay
extra
a
tip
huge
also.
amount.
And we
Yeah.
we give extra tip also.
Okay, yes, yes,
So
that
it's not
happens.
good. Yes.
Okay, Mansi,
So
so
it shows our image now. If we don't give, so people start staring at you. Like
yes,
they are very poor. That's why they don't have money to give.
yes,
Think like
they
this.
also expect something from us,
Hmm.
if they,
So
or
that's why I love to avoid going out.
okay, okay. So you shared your insights with me. It was really wonderful to know. And now it's time to
Thank
say
you.
bye.
Okay,
Okay.
bye
So it was,
bye.
yeah,
Yeah, I really enjoyed the session. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good
likewise,
day.
same here. Okay, then take care.
Bye bye.
Bye.